August, the court has adjourned the hearing for now, and 23rd August we can expect an order from the court. The RBI's response is to be submitted. We can expect the RBI's final response to be submitted on 23rd of August. Remember, the deadline for all these assets, for resolution of all these assets is on 27th of August as per the RBI's 12 February circular. So this case was initiated by the power companies because they said that the RBI's rules are very stringent. They had debated this in the court. This has been a case that has been going on for quite some time now. The power ministry on their side had asked that whether there can be any special treatment given to the power sector when it comes to the NPAs. That was rejected by the RBI. Then there was then the banking secretary was also brought in. He has given his report. Based on that, a high-powered committee has been put in place, which is working and taking a look at how to resolve these stressed assets. But all of this, finally the court will have to give its verdict, which we expect now. We can expect some verdict to come on the 23rd. And also in the meanwhile, the power secretary was supposed to meet all the power stakeholders, but that meeting again was postponed. That has also not happened. So we can expect something permanent to come out on 23rd, or when the court again hears the matter before the 27th August deadline.
Right. Ritu, how important is this? Because a lot of power companies are facing issues, and that's why an exception to the sector can be made.
So there cannot be any exception made to the sector. The power ministry had already spoken about this. The RBI had rejected anything. They had said there is no sectoral exemption possible for its NPA norms. And that is what, after a lot of, that's why when during that time, the banking secretary and all the power stakeholders was brought in, and that's why he prepared a report where he said, a high-powered committee can be formed, and that committee can look at resolving some of the stress assets. They can give special importance to the projects which are at least, commissioned or which are nearing completion. But, given, this is all comes after the Parliamentary Standing Committee's report, and that says that 34,000 megawatts of power projects are under stress. So there are about 80,000 megawatts of projects that are under stress. So there are 34 projects, out of which 8 have been resolved. The SBI had floated a scheme called Samadhan, which was looking after resolving some of these projects. But there are 12 to 14 which are already headed to NCLT, and unless some resolution is decided upon within the 27th August deadline, a big number of projects will be headed to the NCLT as per the 12 February norms. So of course this will be a big blow for the power sector.